What's up, everybody? Riding with Will. Look at that scenery, man. Can't look too much, man, but beautiful. I love being out here in the West. Two-stroke is a little cold. Holy hell. Holy shit.
That's flowy.
Yeah, fifth gear flowy. Man, everybody out here just rides in fifth gear. Apparently. This is steep. So this trail is out in an area called Rainbow Trail. There is just way too many trailheads and sub-trails to list what's out here. See, Rainbow Trail has over 200 miles of single track, yet alone double track on top of that. And to make matters even worse, or better I guess, there are tons of Jeep trails as well. So yeah, this kind of gives you an idea. So the beginning part was incredibly steep. I'm talking about very steep. Just really suck the video makes it look super flat, as always. This is pretty much the entrance into the Rainbow Trail system, well, one of the hundreds of entrances. To give you an idea of how steep this trail is, the rear would just keep spinning just because it's that steep. Yeah, it would spin because it was just steep. And to make it even better, large loose rocks, but that did not really matter. I was just clutching the heck out of this te250i just to prevent the wheel from digging in. You know, and sorry if I'm a little out of breath. It's really tight single track. So many trees out here, man. Woo! This trail's freaking awesome. There's so many trails. It's freaking ridiculous. Wow. I'm gonna respect that and kind of just do that. Beautiful ride. Look at this forest ride, man. It's really tight. Some areas are really tight. Not hard per se, except that beginning section. You gotta go through some really steep, freaking crazy steep climb. Well, that is it, guys. This is my second time on Rainbow Trails. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, this trail system has so much to offer, and hopefully we go back again and we could do more of the harder stuff. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.